Today, we'll be solving LeetCode 102, binary tree level order traversal. First, we check if the root is empty by saying if not root. This means if the root does not exist, we return an empty list because there are no nodes to process. Next, we create an empty list called result. This will eventually hold all levels of our tree in order. Then, we create a queue to help us process the tree level by level. We store the root node inside this queue as the starting point. Now we begin a while loop with the condition while queue. This means we keep looping as long as there are nodes left to process. Inside the loop, we first find out how many nodes are currently in this level. We store this in a variable called level length by setting it equal to the length of the queue. Then, we create an empty list called level. This will store the values of the nodes for the current level we are processing. Next, we loop through the nodes in the current level using a for loop that runs level length times. Inside this loop, we remove the first node from the queue using pop left, which gives us the node to process. We then take the value of this node and append it to our level list. After that, we check if this node has a left child by saying if node.left. If it does, we add that left child to the queue so it will be processed in the next level. We also check if this node has a right child by saying if node.right. If it does, we add that right child to the queue as well. Once we finish processing all nodes for this level, we append the level list to our result list. When the while loop ends, that means we have processed all levels in the tree. Finally, we return the result list, which contains all levels from top to bottom.